How to upgrade seats after booking on Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can upgrade seats after booking on Air Transat. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Air Transat account. And then once you're on your Air Transat website, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see the section where you see options like flight, package, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking. You just click on manage my booking and then you'll be taken to the booking page. So on this page, scroll down and then enter in your details such as your first name, your last name, your confirmation number, as well as your departure date. And then once you've done that, ensure that the details you enter in is the same with the ones on your flight details. Okay, and then once you've done that, move to the bottom right corner and click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the flights page. Once you're on your flights page, the next step is for you to locate the option for you to upgrade your seats. Then click on it, and then you can choose from the options like economic class seats with small leg room, front of cabin seats, club class seats, and then confirm and pay. Confirm your selection and pay any applicable fees, and you are good to go. And also, you can call Air Transat customer service for assistance with upgrading your seats if that is what you prefer. So this is how it works. This is how you can upgrade seats after booking on Air Transat. Thank you for watching and have a good day.